Hey there, Bricksters and Lego friends. What's going on today? Today I'm going to go over the Lego Holiday 2018 catalog that has come to Canada. Yes, this is the Canadian version, and I'll show you some prices here in the Canadian. So right off the bat here is the cover page, which is kind of cool. It's got the new firehouse on it. And here's the new firehouse. It comes in at a price of $129.99. Moving along, this is an older set. The Winter Village Station is $99.99 and the Winter Holiday Train is $129.99. Now Mr. and Mrs. Claus come in at $24.99. Now they're the brickheads. You all know my feelings on brickheads. They have some holiday ornaments. They're $9.99. And your advent calendars. They are $39.99 except the Star Wars one, which comes out at a whopping $49.99. Now we have the Brick Bank, and that is $219.99. Parisian Restaurant at $189.99. The Roller Coaster at the whopping Canadian price of $479.99. The Downtown Diner is $219. Assembly Square $339.99. Taj Mahal at $449.99. Yes, is the Canadian prices. You'll see the huge difference in between the American and Canadian prices. The James Bond Aston Martin DB5 is $179.99 and the London Bus is $179.99. The Disney Castle is still sitting at $399.99. Now we also have the Lego Boost set, which is sitting at $199.99, and Ninjago City at $349.99. So $350 for Ninjago City is kind of a high price tag. The Stormbringer is $49.99. I think it's called Diesel Knot is $139.99, and the Dragon Pit is $159.99, and the Thorn Room Showdown is $24.99. So these prices are high prices. Now we're moving into the Lego Harry Potter series stuff here. Aragog's Lair sits at $18.99. Not a bad price at all. Hogwarts Express, $99.99. It's a little bit pricey, I feel, for that set. The castle, Hogwarts Castle, is the big castle now. That is $499.99 for that one. So 500 clams for that one. And remember, we put tax on that, and where I live, it's 15% tax of 500, almost $600 by the time you get it all said and done. Now, I'm going to move on here to the other Harry Potters. Whomping Willow is $89.99 and the Hogwarts Great Hall is $129.99. The Quidditch match is $49.99 and Newt's Case of Magical Creatures is $64.99. And rounding it off is Grindelwald's Escape at $24.99. Moving into the brickheads that they have. They all are basically $12.99 for the exception of some of the double packs, which come in at $17.99 and $24.99. The smaller of the double packs, like Yoda and Luke and Rocket and Groot, are $17.99, and the double brickheads are $24.99. So it's basically like two brickheads at $12.99. So it's just like a couple bucks cheaper if you were to buy them as singles, but those ones you can't because they come in sets. Now keep in mind, these probably will be collectible because brickheads, is, from what I hear, has been discontinued and they won't be making too many more of them. Cloud City. The Betrayal of Cloud City, the infamous set that came out this year that everyone thought that it was going to be something way better than this, is $399.99. Well, for that price they can keep it because I certainly wouldn't be buying it, and I don't know very many people that would be buying it at that price for Canadian when there's not really too much going on in this set that we haven't seen before. The Porg comes in at $89.99, which is okay for a big set like that. It's not too bad. $129.99 for the Imperial At-Hauler. The Sandcrawler, the remake of the Sandcrawler, is $159.99. And I gotta say, years ago when the other Sandcrawler came out, the UCS one, probably around the 2007-ish era, it was cheaper than that, and it was bigger than this set. Anyway, Cloud Rider swoop bikes are $39.99, and Anakin's Jedi Starfighter is $24.99. Yes, yet another Jedi Starfighter. This is the Ultimate Collector Series Snowspeeder at $229.99, and Y-Wing Starfighter, also Ultimate Collector Series, at $249.99. Now, if you're looking for the Death Star, this is probably one of the most expensive sets as well. It is $599.99. Now, I have the older version of this, but this is the more updated one with the newer figures and printings. The heavy-duty forklift in the Technic line is $89.99. The Volvo Concept Wheel Loader, Zooks, is $179.99. And the rough terrain crane is $349.99. Yeah, these things are pricey. Technic is certainly pricey, but they're pretty cool. And if you're into the Bugatti, it is $399.99. Well, that's a car payment in itself right there. Actually, that's more than what I pay for my truck. So that's craziness. Las Vegas micro set comes in at $49.99. The Statue of Liberty is $139.99, and the Great Wall of China is $64.99. Now we're going on here, another great idea. The Tron Legacy Bikes is $49.99, and Voltron himself is $229.99. If you're into pirates, well, you can pick up the roller coaster at $109.99, and the Modular Winter Vacation is $44.99, and that's like a 3-in-1 type of build, so that's pretty cool. And also, that pirate roller coaster is a 3-in-1 build as well. If you want the Hulkbuster, the Ultron Edition, you're looking at $149.99. And if you want an app-controlled Batmobile, but why would you want an app-controlled Batmobile? You're not Batman. Neither am I, so I don't really want one. I don't know. It's pretty cool, I guess. Although I was using that new power-up system that I'm not too fond of, and it's $119.99. And I think this is the Pterodon Chase, if I pronounced it right, $24.99. And Sturmoglek Breakout is $39.99. And Blues Helicopter Pursuit is $49.99. Now, they always throw in some ads in here about being VIP and getting your card and all that, and, you know, shipping and customs and all that business. Arctic Ice Crawler is $29.99. The Arctic Mobile Exploration Base is $149.99. Now, if you're in the trains, the passenger train here that also uses the new power-up system is $199.99. And the People Pack Outdoor Adventures is $49.99. I think it's a little bit pricey though for some minifigures and that, but it is a cool set, and it does come with a nice eagle, so it may be, you know, something that you would be interested in. Andrew's Accessory Store is $39.99, and the Friendship Box is $64.99. The Heart Lake City Pet Center is $79.99, while the Heart Lake City Resort, which is a really cool new set with some track in the back with sort of a half monorail, is $129.99, while Mia's Treehouse is sitting at $39.99. And to lastly show it all off is Ninjago City Docks, coming in at $269.99. Whoa, these big sets, I gotta say, are very big prices. Remember, there's free shipping on orders over $35, and currently, right now, some sets have double VIP points, and I think up to a certain date there's double VIP points coming up soon, double VIP points, and another free set, a Christmas style free set. So that's pretty cool. Anyway, that's it for the Canadian edition of the LEGO Holiday 2018 catalog, and I'll talk to you guys again shortly in another video. Hey, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below, and hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time we upload a video. Take care, and I will talk to you guys again in the next video very shortly.